What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Brick Japa Road my people. The biggest news since the week you would have said start Brick Japa Road. You know what I mean? Prudent debut and him drop right as Zozo foot my people. You see me? As you can see the picture, she and him right there so. You know what I mean? So it's a good look people. I love that. You see me I say and Zozo collect a whole heap of money from Brick behalf. You know what I mean? Both gifts and people send him thing. So I guess like how she drop a road you know. Them can touch a little resort, spend a few days, full joy themselves, you know what I mean? Not and don't let you indulge in a no alcoholic beverage. You see me I say? On a level that we trigger her off. You see me? Also my people, we have, you know what I mean, the Lion Man, I think him forward and say like, you know what I mean, them must rob Owie them and thing. So have that for sure with Uno. You see, we have a bunch of things my people. I don't know if I left out nothing, but Uno go see it on the video same way. So these are the things we have to share. Maybe we'll add more things as we go on. You understand? So make we get in it my people.
So which hospital should they like? They don't have public?
They are public, you know, but before she did the upper center mass over there, live up there, so I think up there so she did have a baby.
Nah. That's terrible.
Yeah, and it was like organs in my swell and she sick bad. I will go for the hospital, drive 3 hours from me, love go there. And the stepmother and the sister put one piece of restriction, say only she can see the girl. She and the sister can see the girl. The baby father can go in.
And the baby father?
The girl baby father can go in through by the beat and the man and this is not here no man.
Damn.
You know me have the idea because you have sense.
Damn, first of all, me and you know what kind of work me used to do. None of them cannot restrict him from go in at the blood clot hospital. Go look on him baby mother.
Them say the girl signed paper upstairs with the lie herself. Say she only want to see she the stepmother and the sister. And listen to you know listen to man listen. And the woman really mad with birth him did and can't go neither.
No. You mad?
Me know it's a lie.
Nobody with sense not in the family. Remember, not even your baby father cannot kidnap your baby. So how him can't see him baby, man? That don't make any sense.
Them say the girl right. Them say the girl write it on paper and lie them a tell. Say the girl say only want to see his stepmother and his sister. And him man did that with the baby, you know. Cause the man carry the baby too, you know. The man come and did that with the baby outside. And the girl real mother will birth him outside and the girl granny outside. No, they restrict everybody, my lover. Only somebody can go up there. Even if we don't say no, we come in as stranger. We think the mother, if I even the mother, alright, put the baby father aside. So I make a real mother can go in. And
so what the mother say when them tell her she can't go in?
The woman ball and look up to the sky when the sun go down to 6 o'clock. Yo, the woman look up in the sky so and hold up behind the ear and look up in the sky and just a ball eye waters and look up in the sky so. And then she say, later me go look taxi the car then say run so bad and a far we leave. So
nobody no call the police?
No, they don't call no police because how they say true, you know want to start no drama for Neisha downstairs and here.
No, but the drama has already started.
But me did up to the ask them, say, if no bigger heads can come in at this, if nobody not supposed to ask.
Yeah, man, call the police. Listen, I don't know why people underestimate the power of the police. Call the police, them cannot reach, or even if paper sign, come show him the paper.
And that made them not show him no paper, they not more tell him that.
Come show him the paper. You can't, something not going on with you don't know about.
And that me they say true my something alright. Come up with the ask them say, so the hospital now no bigger heads you can't tell. They say you have to go to ministry or whatever. Cause they say for the patient sign the paper say that is somebody they want to see. They have to work with the patient. So I don't know where I go.
Something not going on with you don't know about. Probably them not telling you the 100. Probably even the baby mother, the baby father not telling you the 100.
Well, me don't know what to say.
But them cannot restrict the baby father from because yo, it's crazy like.
You know, even if they restrict the baby father, put him aside. Want to the real mother.
Yeah, the mother, yeah. Oh, so she you tell me that she don't want to see her mother neither.
Yeah, cause even if me no be the same up yesterday, me no be a span the baby father car. You know, somebody don't know if they but I mean I want to talk some things over because I want to mix. That's why I left you.
And alright. The next thing to fam, You know Jamaica slack. You know Jamaica one big idiot place.
Yeah.
Can you remember when the girl said she had breed for me and she gonna have baby down a pub, down a Jubilee? When me go down there, and I tell them say, I want to go see my baby mother. The lady at the front desk basically tell me say, how she can prove, how me can prove say me a baby father. Me I say, you see no man come down and claim baby? We are not for them. Is that the man go through one bully part security?
That makes sense.
It don't make no sense. But then again, when me a checking list, me can't see her name. Only to find out say Elisha tell she never gone to hospital for have no baby.
Oh.
She lose the baby for a couple months before and never tell me. You see me? But me just try to show you that sometimes Jamaica.
One lady when come downstairs, you know, we work up on the wall, me know good. The lady said to me, say, you don't know if the girl or if he in her right mind, I know, because then say when you ask the girl in name, she went been a repeat her name. The lady said to me, say, I know her good enough. She work up, she said to me, say, boy, I don't think the girl in a stable condition, because when I ask the girl in name, she went continue to repeat her name. And the lady said, you know, really think the girl really say you don't want them. Because to make him must say the girl brain in a stable condition because the girl like she can't. Now when they ask her name, she been a repeat her name like 3, 4, 5, 6 times like in a stable condition. So she has said she don't know what the girl right if or whatever. But she don't think her mind stable.
So what more I know? The way it name there, what is something name? What the mother them go through after birth?
When they call it postpartum depression.
Yeah, it can be that bad.
I mean, I know me have to go ask somebody, you know, because
no, it can be that because that sound like what you tell me.
It's bad, you know, you sick. Too much, she sick, but you know, you have to wear pampers, you know, her organs them swelling her, you know.
Then yeah, man, I saw my
the people in the chat can't say it that bad, but in a female, they tell you in my perspective. But I wonder if then remember say sometime, you know, I work a training doctor, then I wonder if they cut something properly, or I wonder if she won't catch infection. Remember then young people, let me know. They say not get C-section, I think me have to take care of properly, you know. Right. I remember say just him alone, the man don't really know nothing like that. And probably me don't know if he can, me just say that because I don't want to believe in I know what they must say. So me I think so. Or me I think say probably why they didn't cut nothing bad like remember when Spice when get the sepsis and when they make the surgery and when get it bad and when and Spice organ as well too. I just them something with them me I think. Me just don't want to think on the bad side like what people are think. So me don't want you know about no hobby, I don't want to think that.
Exactly, cause I mean who for the girl for?
And that no one know they don't have money. Them barely have money to keep right now in a sickness. Remember them people that listen to but them people don't come up on a regular. The people must come on 1 and 2 local time, cook them food, and people throw local gift. Through your TikTok, I will where must think say, and everybody make money for you. And everybody make money for you, I know, because I not make money for you, I know. More if become a man, to make 1, 250, I want 3 business.
You hear what I want to say? The stepmother block everybody. You see me I say? And me see a video with the stepmother. And the stepmother strike me as a F-up person. Yeah man, as person where we carry news to mash up certain things. She come on the live and she say it's like them low Owie and the female to live them life. You understand? Because some look at Issa did go on with Owie and the girl when him take back must see one jerk pan from the girl and something seen. But I guess them did kick off them the time there and then like them get back together. So them sister like the family sister them can't separate them, so them just allow them to do what them do, but them don't like the idea of them together. You know what I mean? And it look like say fear family them are pre say like we must see a control maybe the money and things. So look what thing must see a go on right there. So she will feel like say get in her head because when you hear Diamond say like she not in her 100% right mind certain way. Right? So she maybe I tell her say you know say me feel like say we do this and you know what I mean? So that's why the girl maybe block them from coming to see her. And it look like say she grow with she are the legal guardian. So she can block them from come see her. Because we never have no like him not have no status if they did married now. that would have different. And if she, the female, says she don't want to see him, them now go let him in. So there's nothing them can do to override what the female and her stepmother say. That a law. You know what I mean? So I can watch some more, my people.
I'm on my business and I'm satisfied. But right. Kill them dead. Remember TikTok I take half and they give them. So if you don't send me one wheel and the wheel have $100. Right now more than half TikTok I take. One time one lion was 150. No one lion at 140. And people like how we with us come. Cause me only come a morning time and go on my business, you know. They say me make a 150 or 2 bills, me go on my business satisfied. But just check it say, alright then Diamond. If I make 2 bills a day for a week, that change that to me. But to everybody we talk about who they on TikTok rich. And probably to you see little people them go buy one little vehicle. And when I look up and I saw them come here true man, the people them there for school days friend. We never hear none of the people them closet. All when I saw the family member them run out, or the boy take a chicken back pan for the girl, and the boy this and the boy that. The boy never deny the chicken back pan argument no, because I asked about it yesterday, because you know I still ask all when I'm pressure. The man said Diamond that 4 years ago. When I saw the closet run out, all the two of them there, you know, we know they have to cuss because we know no couple of perfect in our life, my friend. Nobody can perfect. Look, you always say on the internet that you look like them perfect. We know they have to go through something. We don't eat that. And if a girl when that uncomfortable, like, oh, them attack, I know, them run out and attack, I know. Why would she and her man live? They live by themselves, but I want to push it to them alone. But they know so they have family, God kill me. If the sickness never come in, they know one time when they're wicked, you know. Come here, when they're wicked, they say the girl real mother dead, you know. And I step man grow me, you know. When we go to hospital yesterday, you're the woman, you're the granny. See real mother, yeah. And me birth him. She not dead. Me say, what? I said, come me click me live. Come in there and go click no live. I said, come me click me live.
Yo, everybody port up. Get with the 10,000 likes I will turn on back in the comment section. Let's go. What you say? So, fam, so are the girl side of family a cause all of the problem?
That cause I know, yeah. Up and I saw out of the blues and the girl if the man much ears, we know you no problem.
Yeah, because we don't know of them, you know, mix up and them something.
No, but we know nobody not perfect. As a couple, you have to cuss and fight. Not perfect couple anymore. But the people them literally keep them business private. So if the girl have that bad discomfort with the man, she only don't and breathe. Because the girl want ears, true man, the girl want ears like me. Soft and I see the girl look, she face it. Because you see to me, and the girl rule the man. We not ask Christ and no disciples. And you see with earrings and we rule boy.
Oh.
You understand me?
Like April?
I don't know if April she born, I'm mad, but I know she's an earrings. I know she rule away. I not ask you. Why you talking being a ram? And even if they when they're young, and the girl put out a chicken back pan, and the man take back the chicken back pan, every boy, every girl take back boy. I regularly take back boy shoes. And that pants and shirt for them too. I know say, when that girl, when we take back the chicken back pan for Neisha, we know Neisha take back something. Because you see Neisha there, but I think Neisha said, I not ask you. And Neisha run things about at the house. I not ask you, no.
Yeah.
I tell you, no. Because you see with earrings, no care all the man them bad and wicked. You could have live, you could have come and gun to, you could have shoot, you could have police with earrings controlling bad.
You could manage up one ears.
No. Come with the angle, you sir.
Because me very stubborn and spoiled. So
I mean, can't go bother with that. And if you take back on the family, I take back for you too.
Oh, no, man. We not do because listen.
No, you're not going to do it. You know, I tell you how earrings like to equal up. I mean, no, how we can rule Neisha. Quiet as I say Neisha, them not ask Christ. We not say how we are saved, you know. Because we know how we are like a general side to him, we don't really know. But every man have a general side, every girl have a general side. But what me I say true man in Jamaica, yeah. No cure our family member throw down and malice in a Jamaica, yeah. When death and sickness come, don't everybody combine together.
Exactly, and try to make it work. I don't know how come this happen.
All the woman come out pan. One of the woman come out pan. True man, you're the woman. Where all of the money we make on TikTok there? Where the money we make there? You don't talk about the money done. Some money then come out.
Lie.
Rich people there on TikTok. Rich people over here.
For member, you know, who not there on TikTok, them don't understand how it works, you know.
Rich people over here.
I feel like when them see all the score on something, them think of the amount of money
they think of that we get. They think of the money that we get. Me I tell you true man that them think.
That them think for sure. So they must see this something, they must say 140 or 1,000, 50,000.
When they say 300,000 views over here, they think of 300,000 we get.
Yeah.
I don't know, say I double us I push up the score for the game nice.
So, yo, but what if she are public, she are the right place still, even though, you see me, I think I don't just have the best doctor them still. What for the...
I'm sorry for the man. There's some of them talk about move him. Let me tell you something. I see private doctor. When you're sick, you make no sense to go a private doctor.
No, man, you put a public, man.
But you see a public. You say, if you go a Uwe or what they want to call it, when Uwe can't manage him, what Uwe going to send him?
I send him back a public.
So you see a public, and if the John public want help, we put towards surgery or whatever, then put towards it. Me can't bother be across as a condom. Then say Kitty, one girl over here, I collect money for them. And then they say Kitty come out and say, the people report the Zelle and the money.
And the money do what gone?
Come on in a long frock, let me leave it.
Hold on there. What? Friend, you look good in a long frock though. You look good in a long frock.
Let me leave it.
Where say the money gone?
I said my friend, I want to leave it because I put a drudgement. You see me tie and die long frock, you know. And it's just me put a tie and die long frock, a drudgement. Them say people report the Zelle and the money gone.
Why would somebody report the Zelle? That no make no sense.
Listen up, they love do that for true, cause that's when the big nose man when they are jail one over so where you was abuse me.
Yeah.
One time I come and I pick up the collection and I pick help. No, me really I pick up the collection when a few people when comes and give me two collection baby the big nose boy. But I don't want to call his name, because I'm not independent, I think I call his name. Right. You know the big nose boy one, he knows broke or so.
Yes, man.
That same brown one day. You see, I'm in the car, I'm when the arm. And then I report my Zelle too. Then I report on my cash up and my cash up couldn't use again. But I get back the money still. Because what happened, the fraud department, they call me for Zelle.
Right.
They say funny, where they go on. And I tell them, say I feel me Zelle and I explain to them or whatever. But I have to left from Jamaica do. Go foreign and go in at the bank or fix things and I get the money.
Right.
But I say if they live a foreign and they report them a foreign then there. All Kitty have to do go on at the bank or fix things.
You don't want nobody talk about them I call it no more. You see if me I send a money or you me I give or somewhere where they are them foot.
They go fix me. They will lock me out, you know, like black the account, you know. And then give me they will give me 28 days to come at the bank to come fix things. Because they tell them say me out of the country.
Right.
So they give me 28 days. So me, you know, me just hustle and ticket here so and me go over and me go in at the bank and then fix it. Then give me one brand new card and me get my money.
Right.
So me not know. All the time I know my money, but they will block you out of the account, you know. But if you got the bank, things will fix.
Me can't.
I don't want to go on the tour, you know, for my boss.
Yeah, I can't believe what you tell me to blow that girl.
I don't want the problem.
Something not right, man. Something not going on, I don't know about.
But me don't know why Kitty take up this panning head so far. Why Kitty take up this? Then we not have account. Them are going to say, we not have no account. We over here so far. Listen. We over here for Wapia. Listen to me. We over here for Wapia kill Peter. Come back and kill Wapi true, man. You see, anybody who used to collect their money, he must still can't do it that way. That's why problem. And then people go talk about they say PayPal only $400 a day. So I can't take the crowd for me, you know. Zoom.
But the money look so man.
Anyway, listen up. They must say PayPal say $400 a day. PayPal not do $400 a day. A TikTok do that. PayPal no business how much money want to pay PayPal. A TikTok do that. TikTok.
Hey people, you know what me no like? Me no like dirty bungle. Me no like a born in a dirty bungle people. And you see, it seems like say them two familiar are dirty bungle them. Them a look something for scrape. Them a look for get on TikTok because them see Owie and the female do it and them buy a car. So everybody ready eye, long eye, want to go up on TikTok to make money for themselves too. So them we do anything to part them so that them come over for them side so that every money where them a make them can get a part of it. It look like say the dirty blood clot stepmother bring animosity. Yes, she are one of them boy look like say, you know what I mean? Because the other day when me hear she attack, me I analyze and me I say that woman I look like a look a greedy blood clot woman, you know. We want to grab and scrape, you know, and cause contention and war. You see me I say just forget the female over on fear side so she can start the TikTok and do whatever. You know what I mean? And so it look to me, you know, I figure so still, you know, but that's just my opinion. Right? Because me don't know what the family them have from longer time. Because you know them can have things that go on for a long time and now it just get back fresh and people start cuss and war and sitting. The mother, you know, the mother situation, me don't know what going on with that, if the mother abandon her and the stepmother grew her or whatever, but it seems like she close with the stepmother. She can close with the stepmother and the stepmother still do damage to her and she don't know, you know. You know what I mean? But me could see how this thing unfold, me people. But me don't like dirty bungle people. Get your own. You see me I say, don't try to mash up something to get a person on your side so you can gain half of what you mash up. Because I look like that them out for the divide and conquer. But guess some people, me could watch some more.
Limit. Look at my comment section. Oh, look at my comment section. Miss P, let it go. Miss P, let it go. Me like when people talk. Let it go, Miss P. Let it go.
So that man walk on.
Interact with the comment section, Miss P. Me like when time people might talk to me. Eh?
I walk on.
Come here, no Zuma. Me fractal. How we are there yesterday? Me up a public. We not see you. Are you going like?
Listen on. Who are there public and my people in?
Oh.
Bro, me I never see me come public. You be a batty man. You be go suck your mother. You be can there public come public.
Then you wait to be public with pilers. What pilers have to do with public?
Bro, me now come to pub, me now mix them
Zuma, everybody come here and him not talk either, Zuma.
Listen to me now, there, man. You hear me I say the there, man. 7 brothers, 7 different man. 7 sisters, 7 different blood clots.
Zuma, many man not tell me go there see the man. I go there go see that I'm no.
Zuma, if I me like you, Zuma, if I me like you, I go there with the team. Zuma, if I me like you, I go there with my team because
poor.
Because we are support. So just go up the same way.
You're poor, actually, you're right there, so.
Diamond, nobody with that for people screaming because me and say Zuma Ray now.
Let me tell you, big nose man. Right or right, wrong or wrong. Let me tell you something, I want to hear that. Because I don't know me.
I mean, listen to me. Every morning I say a prayer over here for my life. Oh, and Neisha every night. And then trust you some people, and Neisha over here.
Zuma come over to my platform. I feel me, yes, so. And you come boy, and me talk dirty, man. Me and my friend. When me go there and see him, listen to me. When me go there, me talk to Zuma and overthrow me, yes, so. Oh, you know, overthrow, yes, so. Oh, me talk. 2 years I'm going to ask the man me frightened to come. I'm not friend. You say me going to go see him. Listen, I'm going to go see him, cause Orlando, Cooley, Raja, Owie. Me just go there, me say, Cooley warm, Orlando warm, cause warm. And me go about my business, that has nothing to do with me. Me here and go about my business.
So you hail everybody
individually, I hail everybody and then I go about my business.
I never know say you're an even good neither.
Me and him never have nothing. Nothing me and him never have.
I'm not going to come and try over. Diamond, tell people to try over you.
Here.
Even was I try over my sister. Suck your mama.
Hold on. Zuma, you have any proof of that? Zuma, you have any proof of that?
Allegedly.
Okay.
No. Can't them sue me. I'm a businessman right now. Talking. Allegedly.
That is how more you start talk, bro. Allegedly. You don't have to just them word there night. Allegedly.
Come on, me I never really have nothing, you know. He come, and to me tell him saying wrong. Him start go on the most way and go on the most way. I want to go like him can bring down and go on the most way. So you know my mouth feisty. Me tell him my mind and whatever. He go feel ways. Let me tell you how me stay. You say me argue with people, me argue and done. Me not have up nobody, me heart as me go sleep and now wake up my friend. Me not business with the man. Me go there, me hear me hear me go about my business. You over public big. The man they about him business for one railing by himself in a pyjama.
Right.
How we they about business by himself? So me don't know what that ugly mug they tell me say. What?
Diamond, you didn't ask me how my days they go. Diamond no say, listen, let me tell you.
After you drink a bag juice, you're supposed to alright. When you drink a bag juice, you're off it alright.
Diamond, listen to me, Diamond. Listen what I say to you, Diamond. Listen
left it public. Come here.
Yeah, left it. Because
come here. Them say Kitty collect up some money yesterday. Them say Kitty people, and they say Kitty, why up our money? And them say, I saw the Kitty bank locked down with the money.
She just tell me.
Well,
What me no wall? If you go over the internet and tell me they tell you there on the screen, what me no wall? The people them say the money report as fraud. Me I tell the people them say when they collect for it. You remember the man when you me out? The big one. Really? The better call no name.
Oh sorry. After my boss no. Yeah.
No, remember you can't get no problem. Nobody call the people them name.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
No, nobody call no name. Zuma Bill no. Just the big nose, man. Yeah, we work with that. That's how we do it now. Let's work with that.
Talk to me.
When the man, when they are jail, you know, the people may give me a little collection one at the time, see me too. And then they do report me too. And the fraud come and call me too. But they may give me 28 days to come fix it at the bank. I may go fix it, I may get back the little trail, I don't know how to Kitty do.
Apparently, Kitty tell me, say, she make $2,000. That's why she get from my life.
Yeah, 2,000.
She said she make $2,000. I want girl when you remember the girl name what you say.
They report it, it's fraud. Listen, they go report if it's true in true, man. Cause then do that, I make them take my cash up. They report my cash up and cash up.
What I like, if somebody report it, them not do the investigation first before them blacky people them something.
Fraud call you. If more than one somebody are report it, the fraud department go contact if a Zelle they use. Remember Zelle, listen, you see Zelle have nothing to do with your bank, you know. Zelle is a different place from your bank.
Hey, who are the big nose man with people? More know. Don't tell me who are the big nose man. I joke me out, man. I know who are the big nose man. But hey, my people, me just don't like wagwan with the whole situation. Because me feel like say the female in need right now. And on a level still my people, me don't know what really go on still, you know, so me can't too dip on nobody's side and say this a person here, I do this and this a person here, I do that, I me not like this, I me not like that. Me know say right now me have to stay up on the fence because me don't know the history where the family have. What if a two family will live bad for a longer time and the two of them go start chat? You know what I mean? That no mean say them are go come together. You don't go get worse with them. You understand me? So me just hope say the when me wants to come out of this thing here, me just hope the female pull through. You know what I mean? Me just hope say she pull through and recover. And if she feel left the man, she left the man. Because my people, it don't make sense. On a level still, nobody can tell you who you fit date or who you fit deal with. But if she don't trust the man that much, you feel left each other. Because this now go done. Like how the family don't like each other, my people. I can the same family them do something to, you know what I mean? Me just a whisper and tell you know. Tell me what you think in the comments.
So you see the fraud department, your bank now nothing to do with Zelle, no. Totally different for your Zelle, no. Your Zelle is a Zelle, your bank is a bank. But the fraud department, I go send one fraud text first. And when they send the fraud text, they go left one number and see if you contact them back.
So she said she get no text or anything or any contact.
Me no go through it, listen no. Me no go to the Tory. Me come to kill and destroy and me carry and die fracking of the mind.
Zuma find out from her if she get the text from the fraud people them.
Me not say Kitty for a man, but Kitty no say no have luck. Kitty collect too much. After that so everything over here Kitty jumping like my mother woman. That's why all of us told me down from Kitty. Love me talk. Love me talk. What?
Tama, you hear me?
Yeah.
I have a birth paper, I have a tear, I have an ID. I have a Zelle, I have a paper, I have a cash up.
What me and my friend?
Poor people. Listen to me, rich people argument, I'm not busy about that. I'm over here so, but listen to me.
What me and my friend? Let's see Kitty now.
Like a dog.
What me they ask you say? What me they say Zuma? Yeah. When me I say, oh we there for Wapi a kill, feel come back and kill Wapi, cause me come back and see Owie. Oh, have people collect money, but Owie can't collect money himself.
Exactly.
And why Kitty love make arms us all over upon him? Why every time nobody have problem why Kitty have to collect their money? Why? Kitty?
No.
All the time, Mr. Kitty over when no problem, Kitty a collect money. Kitty a bank?
No.
Moderation, no.
Why Kitty always in a this?
Enough.
Moderation,
nobody can come tell me. Chuma, all of me have money. Nobody can tell me if you collect no money, come in and do it. Because them something cause problem and bring down excitement.
Exactly. But what I say, all them have to do is post in bank account information and people just wire money to him bank. Him have a bank account.
You have a Jamaica account. People can wire
bank account.
Who can wire? You gotta use Western Union.
Them are the
YouTube.
Them are the YouTube long time and come and do TikTok. You have a bank account.
Nobody can tell me none. How them get paid?
Yeah, all them get money. Them have a bank account. And
then first, Kitty over here collect money for people, you know. Kitty ever over here collect money. Kitty live a foreign and then live a Jamaica. A Jamaica people business is Kitty. Leave them alone, make them find out them way to collect them money, Kitty. And you ever go in a mix up and then the people them go bring you down. Them go bring you down now.
Me can't believe what you're doing. You are foreign and you are collect money for people at Jamaica.
That Kitty go like a bank of TikTok. Kitty a bank of TikTok. Kitty love them. It look like you're tired.
People are saying NCB get hacked last week. All if you NCB get hacked last week, you don't have no close family member where can get the money with from.
Two or three bank down here. They have squash Jamaica National and NCB. A long time, how we them at the YouTube. You want to tell me say they work this on the Jamaica bank? Who can listen up? Me sure say me know me can use Western Union because you know a scamming town me live and I feel like you see nobody be saying come here Western Union. Me walk and beg 3-4 friends. Everybody by the internet say you're so big. But call call a piece of money for me at Western Union. So call one friend, beg somebody call a Western Union and then beg 1 3 friend or 4 friends. I saw how we live bad that's in and nobody can collect it for him.
Exactly. You know say if you never go down there and see them at the hospital, me would have think say the whole of this a prank.
Aye.
If you never go there and see them at
NCB bank now work.
It don't make no sense. It don't make any sense.
Listen, let me tell you something. Me and Kitty, you see Kitty? Kitty a really good friend over here. You see Kitty? Kitty not everybody business. Kitty for leave them alone. Because right now, this look how we you know. Because all of a sudden the money I collect, they say report. Which somebody can do something true because they do me so. But as me tell you, when me go, I saw come in was a Zelle third party, you know, not open with the bank, you know. Cause me know, you know.
Okay.
Me know. And when they give me the 28 day and me going to the bank, attack to the people, man, they tell her. The people must say, the bank don't have nothing to do with Zelle. Zelle does Zelle. So they don't have nothing to do with the bank. You understand? But then go to the right one letter and prove, say, all right, then it's not a fraud. Then go ask a few question, Chuma, and you go answer the question them. And then if everything all right, then just resume everything. But Zelle don't have nothing to do with your bank. Your bank can't lock you out of Zelle, none at all.
That's why I want to know. That's why I want to zoom and figure ask her if she get that text from the fraud people and if
Charma, why me? Charma, you can't ask her to. Why me?
No, but are you say you just did I talk to her a while ago?
No, to me the Kitty line. No, to me the Kitty line. Me Kitty line.
Listen. She tell me when I'm going to have a contact the bank.
Okay.
Fine. She jump, I'm a jump.
Okay.
We're not going to the deep conversation. Charma, listen me, my problems, I know my ounce leak like strain, you know. Like I keep you back in my blood clot. The uncle like a dog, you know. That's a problem, you know. My baby a whole night, my bed a wheel. Charma, my friend, when turn on like engine. My problem, Charma. There's a problem, then I come here, so I'm going to pick up people problem.
So Zuma, you want me to give you 5 grand?
Listen to Chuma, me talk, cause Zuma, me not like too big more people on one platform, cause you overthrow my platform, and you come so leave my place, I go talk for your platform. You overthrow me, I'm not like nobody overthrow my things.
Say blood clot if a mother woman in that ugly frock there.
I lie you to tell.
No, your frock, Diamond.
Lie you to tell. Lie.
Good.
She been a long time telling that frock. If you want them old socks there. A long time telling that frock. When I go to that woman.
A judgment frock. And it's just see tell you come out a judgment.
Man,
So Zuma.
As me I tell you, me go through that. So me I tell you say, the bank don't have nothing to do with Zelle. Zelle is a third party. Because me get mad, you know. Because a TD bank me join, you know. So me get mad and feel like a TD are going to be a problem. So when me go to BAMS and go in a TD say, they don't have nothing to do with Zelle. Zelle is a third party. Zelle
my side, tap the screen, people. Diamond, listen what I said to you. Listen, man.
But all the things, you said they bring down Kitty. We don't sorry for Kitty, then bring down Kitty. Because Kitty I go like him a TikTok bank. Every time nobody have problem with your Kitty, I collect money for them. For what?
They're going to bring down Kitty because people start out that Kitty take money, bro.
But what Kitty, but what me I say, how much Kitty and always not friend like that. Kitty are always the play like that. Other people when we always ask that somebody. Why Kitty have a volunteer? Why Kitty have a volunteer?
You don't trust them from morning.
And listen to sometimes I help people in the dog.
Nah, man, Zuma, listen, man.
Why Kitty have a volunteer? Why Kitty have a volunteer?
Zuma, if somebody have...
Hey, my people. You see the sooner these people on TikTok realize them not have no friend on TikTok, them not have a friend on TikTok, like these people where them come know, are just people where them come meet on TikTok and them don't know these people personally. Them don't know them from a can of paint. You understand me? So these people them come on TikTok for one reason and one reason only. And anyway, them are gonna get it that way because them see other people on TikTok and make it. So you see the people them wanna make nothing on TikTok. All the people them wanna make things on TikTok. When it come to your money, deal with it yourself. Put somebody in place to deal with it. Yesterday when or the day before yesterday when me hear them talk about money and collecting and the female say, yo, I go collect the money and me saying to myself, say, you know, say foolish I go on here, so because too much people I go collect money certain way. Me not say things can't go on here, cause America that, you know, once them see certain things unusual, them we do them thing, and you know what I mean. But these people been messing around people's money for the longest while. Me not say she personally, you know, but we hear of different circumstances where other people get money for people and the people them end up get their money and one bag of ass dead and cow fat and all these things. You see me I say? So me didn't know say some foolish I go on. Me didn't know that, my people. Me I tell you now. Now see it you know. When you tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, my people.
Foreign in a problem. Nobody from Jamaica not collect no money.
I that me want to know.
Nobody from when me want to know is if a she really volunteer or somebody ask her for it.
Kitty will volunteer. Me no know if a Kitty volunteer don't. Sure I don't want to tell a lie.
No, listen.
Then I put Kitty in a box over here. Say my colleague, oh, see Kitty here. See Kitty here tapping eyes, lock chat, me no want hear no me talk. But go on now, silent. Kitty here, you volunteer to go collect money for Owie. Yeah man, here too enough me a cuss you. Why you have to always in a way where you volunteer for? Where them a bring on no say nothing, you know? Come in know why you volunteer for.
My people them did over here say them want help, and my people them did over here say them want
Kitty can know the money report and gone. Everybody go say you take money, leave it alone. Me not tell you wrong.
Take it by my because me already have showed them everything. Me do everything over the phone, over the internet. Nothing never do.
Listen, come here. One time I report me Zelle said when I pick up collection for the big nose man, you know. One time, you know. And if fraud send you a text, them send you a text and get a number to contact them, though.
The fraud just email me. Them just the bank just email me.
But Zelle is a third party. Bank
and Zelle email me, the bank email me.
But I don't know what's telling you, but when me go my bank at TD, me go. When me go my bank tell me, so me call no Kitty. When me go my bank, when they call me, and me go my bank. The bank said Zelle is Zelle and them are them. They don't have nothing to do with Zelle. You understand me? Anyway, they will send me one message about in me something. I want nobody to contact them. I did contact them. Please stop in the Zuma. Then give me 28 days when you come in and I'm going and everything. Things is fixed. But then tell me say Zelle is a third party. The bank not nothing to do with Zelle. Zelle are their own something. I don't know how fear work because I tell you.
No.
Alright, you Kitty go and go fix things. Me there so come through ma. Can't take the crowd from my platform when me attack. Can't take the crowd. They no sit down here so. Take the crowd from my place. Crowd on my place.
So if you get a bookings, here with the party, then I go.
No, you can't mix business with mankind.
So if me attack. Go there.
Remember now, go.
Eh?
I'm a business that. Damn, I just come up for the argument.
The bank never say me no Zelle.
Some people come screaming card, negative boy, bro, where you talk, bro. And them never scream the record about and put out the people bring it down. Me never put a talk in the dog, you see it? As a bro.
Since I'm to know over here, what? Oh. Thank you, guys. Down again, first name. We got black too. What am I doing?
I said, me a go block you. No come out from my life. And you say if you can't over Zozo, you make me know so we can block you too. Since I watch you know and watch come over here. No man have nothing to say for me here. No one have to mix up. No man have a moment or time. She didn't sit on her umbrella. No big people want to do. But the woman have to say to you. You don't know the woman? You know Zozo? Madam, come rub your tongue through my clip, dirty girl. You have somebody? You have somebody idiot girl?
And some period blood them guys, and some period blood. One splash of blood, nothing else. Some period blood them.
Me know what's that be always sleep with the pan the app. I'm here to block you now. Maya bad man. Me only just like get up on bad man. Me I'm not look good. Eh? And who sound no good and not look good? Stuff dog. Look for Maya face pan her DP. Maya face of a 53-year-old and a size of with a young 23-year-old woman. Eh? Big woman like a you could have been my mother come over here and start telling me how me look. Eh? Eh? Big old a 50-year-old girl. Eh? You move your back more bigger. See my back here. Show me your back. Show me your back. You don't even look like me. Me say you don't even look like me. None at all. You can't look like me. You can't look like me. Tough dog, my dog, man. Dog. I love it tough dog. Let me see what my tough dog says.
Go and tell you.
Prep.
Them bad mind your sister Zozo.
A period blood them.
Alright, me done talk. And one word my brother say, man.
A blood in a pot them be.
Maya look like 53-year-old. It could have been my mother. Make Brit talk. If Brit want talk after Brit not dumb.
Yeah. So everybody good morning. Yeah man. Why bother when I call me asleep still, you know. Tired on that time, man, you know.
Me say some man. Maya a long time big woman. Maya look like she have some barrel or yard from 1704. Yeah man, and them big woman type, the Maya look like come by and get your money. Alright, now Maya can't come by the life, come show her back. Hold her the phone, hold her back and go take over the phone.
Yeah. Believe me, man, big up everybody over there, man. Believe me. Everybody sending some gift now, please, huh? Please and thanks.
I'm here to block your Maya.
So we can send a galaxy them the money gun them. Come in.
Maya not sure.
I can show today now.
Me say all them at this.
We can step forward, just step forward, you know?
Girl, they do too much. Where you
Come in chat. When I see if you can send some gift me, we can show it. Send in the wheel them, send the lion them. Brick there, man. So prudent right beside me, I say, man. I'll evolve for come in today. So I'll evolve for come in. Just believe, man. Not tell me about June 10 right now. Right now. Not tell me about June 10 right now. Right now I'm wanting to send in a gift them. When I've been and say when prudent come out, here now. So I'm not come bother with the excuse them. No bother with the excuse them. Prudent come out. So who can do it? Do it. No worry about I bridge phone this too. So no can tell me about where bridge phone there. I bridge phone this too. I two away I use it. Yeah man, and me and mom sleep together. I two away there together. So if fuck you go ask me what your phone there for. What the phone? Why?
Alright, so my people, I'm glad for Sister Brit is back. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think in the comment section. But more want to talk about the cat woman situation some more. You know what I mean? More, you know what I mean? Give me last word on it. you can't judge people, you know what I mean? You can't judge people and say, you know what I mean, just because you have an opinion, you're going to say, I saw it go. You see it. But this is my opinion. I'm stand strong by my opinion. Because I know say them people up on TikTok, enough of them, nothing now go on for them. And them are wait for the opportunity to make a money. And them watch one another and see who make money from, who not make money, and who have this and who have that. And I don't think she should have ever volunteer to take the youth them money. I feel like it's a plan, a well executed plan. She definitely go in with the intention to take the people them money and I chop the youth money. Yeah, I feel like say she chop the youth money and that's messed up. And you have to remember say in life what goes around comes back around. As I said before, my people, this is my opinion, but I strongly believe my opinion because from the actions of other TikTokers, I see how them live and how them deal with each other, and say them they like one another, then just did it for the money. You just volunteer to collect the people their money. Just show me say, you know what I mean? Come up with the idea to take the people their money because thief no like to see thief with long bag. Me not say oh them a thief. But me just say, people don't like to see other people, especially on TikTok, the whole of them bad mind one another. You see it? But people, wanna make me know the thing if you don't feel like say, I chop that girl, I chop the people them money.
Difference. Now man this say you have it man, go on where you go man. Go on where you go man. Cause things not pretty you know. So I wake up with my face sour. Sending on and sending man, okay cash out. And big up all like true girl, big up all like I told them over there. Yeah man. All who so then want support Brit for now. So I'm been at all about why I when Brit come out, I go do it, you know. So Brit come out here now, so do it. So Brit they have my tour here now, so do it. Yeah, do it. And nobody with the excuse, no excuse no there over here so. But I would no excuse in that man there. Yeah. Brick there man.
Don't put the camera on me.
Don't put the camera on you, baby. Seriously? I say I take me down. Man's good man. Show more show them to you active.
Take it off of me.
You're active man. Come in now, people, do the right thing. You alright? And some feet. Oh, let's make sure.
There's a lot of pressure on.
Alright, then we'll just a little bit, we'll go there, so. Call the driver and then get it together. Alright, we'll call the driver and tell him to come. Pick way up now.
What time is he driving? But I have a person.
Come in my side, Angel for life. Big up all of us sending the gift them, you know? Yeah. B.E. Carla, big up yourself for your support same way. Yeah man. Shy, thank you very much to you know. Yeah man, share per life for me there. Make some more gift I can come in, come drop a lion today. Today we want the lion chat. Today we want the lion chat. Today we want the lion.
Mr. Manabla then.
Bad up, more circle up here.
Alright.
Alright sis.
Yeah bro. But then
Yeah man, she go on man, anything she wants she go get today.
What's up?
There see you are going. They put on line for your DP now. You have on line for your DP man.
Yeah.
Line me I beg this morning, you know.
I beg lion.
Yeah man, I beg a line in there. No man, you know. Come in chat.
Come in, chat. Send him the lion. Send him the lion.
Yeah, man. You do it on
Guys, send him the lion.
Use up a double chat. Wheel. Life goal chat. Come in.
Thank you for the
Come in, chat. Focus.
Guys, come on.
Send in the gift them, man. Send in the gift them.
Guys, something on the double team. Something on the double.
Come in, chat. Focus. Share up live. And share up live.
Okay, thank you, though.
Come in, chat. And send in it. Send in the sitting them now. Lion and wheel. Post kitten.
Guys, I'm sending the lion them for Zuzu and the puss kitten them on the wheel.
Yeah, man.
Bobo, me can't beg you one wheel.
Carla, we can beg you when I look for one of them, Carla, I want flying jet. Come in, chat. Remember, our birthday, our birthday is now, you know. And my birthday is now. I don't want to tell me later. Who can do it now? Just do it. I'm wanting to.
Guys, get first to one rose. Everybody send a rose. Everybody.
Wanting to do it for no, do it for clout. No, sir. Which part 12 they go? 10. Which part 12 they go? 10. Come in, chat. Send in the lion them, chat. Focus, catch any speed. Send in the gift them for now, chat. In there with me, so why me for call her? You should there with me, why me for call her? Carla, big up yourself, you know, Carla. Carla, today we all cash out me in the car. Just remember good, you know. My foot, my arms, you know. Just remember good, you know. Yeah, man.
Alright, so my people, alright, so I'm going to end the party and move on to the next. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I love to see Brit back, but it look like say nothing really change about Brit, you see me? She just take a long vacation certain way. Maybe them give her medication still, so if she a hack up in any way, she can pop one of them something there and calm down. So, let me know what you think. I'll move on to the next.
Brit, God love you here. Brit, God love you, Brit. Zozo, God love you. God I go bless you, no. God I go bless you, no. God already I bless you, no. And I will love you, no. Brit, me so happy for you. Me so happy for you, Brit. Right now, I wish me could have give you a big hug. Brit, me so happy you come back. Nothing I go ever do again, Brit, in the name of Jesus. Nothing I do.
Big up yourself, yeah?
Yes, thank you.
Zozo, can I tell you how of a good job you're doing with Brit? You're a man and you stand to your word. I'm proud of you for that. You know, I don't really follow people on TikTok, but when I come out, when I see how you come out and I take care of Brit, I love that because Brit is my little friend and she did really need the help and really need the love and the support. And I love how you do it for her. I love that, Zozo. Remember me tell you, you're going to go far way, you know, youth. You're going far way. You see that little number one you talk about from morning? Don't worry about the number one day. You're going to go farther than number one, me youth, because you're good youth. God bless. You're pure heart, you're good, and your sister Brit need help, and you never take disadvantage of her.
You see, one big up in the morning, yeah?
Yeah.
One big up Shalom. You see Shalom?
Shalom.
They are listening, man. But they fire you, man, in hand. The man they know me from Adams, and so they say Shalom. May I give you credit in that man, you know. Oh, you big me and Brit up. You see, oh, you big up the two of Shalom. I am a friend, Shalom. But big up your damn self. Big up your damn self, Shalom. Anyway, you're there. You say you block me, though. You say you block me. Big up yourself.
Nicki Minaj to make him unblock you, man.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Guru. Guru, you want a real one them to Guru. Me hear you talk, Guru, but big up yourself. You have to big up Zozo and Prudent. Me get the message.
Yes.
Guru, big up yourself, Guru.
Brit, I love you, Brit. Just take time and recuperate and get back on track. Remember when TikTok did just start, you was one of the girl who was on the top list. And believe you me, you're gonna get back there with the help with everybody on the app.
You understand me? And let me tell you, you see that man right there beside your Brit? Don't you ever disrespect him or ever put him down because of this app. Because you see, Zozo, him not left you one bit. Yeah. Everywhere when go buy food for you, everywhere when go purchase anything for you, make sure him video it, because the people them a chat all kind of foolish about him. But what? Him put to him ground and he be the real man that him is. I tell people every day, say you don't have to reach 40, you don't have to reach 50 to be a real man. You see, Zozo, you saw him is a real damn man. That is Zozo is a real man. Him look out for you, him fight for you, him cuss for you, him argue with them, him fight with them, him everything for you, Brit. Yes. I mean, never know if you having no man, but you see that man where you get right yourself, I feel your man this. God destined that man you feel. No matter if you and him argue, you and him fuss or where you and him have a fear man this. I feel man this where God sent for you, Prudent. Fear man this, Brit. And nobody can take him away from you. When me see, him no want nobody else but you, Brit. And you him interested enough to help and say that you're alright. And him pick you up right through. Nobody can disrespect you when it come on to Zozo. None. I'm glad I get the opportunity this morning to tell you this, Brit. When you listen to me, sometimes some man have big car and big house and this, but they not give the love like where Zozo I give you. I just their money and the money not count sometimes. You see, him, everything when him do for you right now, it count. Him love, him care, him everything, him drive to make sure you're alright, him drive to make sure you're in the hospital, him drive to make sure you're good, him drive to make sure you have everything what you have. A man this. Zozo a real man. That's why I'm a friend him, that's why I'm follow him, and that's why I'm watch him like them. Sometimes I don't give forgive and I just tap it. You understand me? I have no gift, sometimes I just tap him screen. I just tap them sometimes I have. I'm a rate him as a real youth. He might not be no 40 or no 50 year old man, but enough man we are 40 or 50 year old would never do what Zozo do for you. Sometimes we are running down some man when I make no sense. You see that man when God bless you with Brit, hold on upon him with every straw and every fiber of your body. I feel man this. Look how you're beautiful, Brit. Look how you glow. You're looking so nice this morning. You look so beautiful this morning, my girl. Yeah. You know why you glow so, Brit? Because God bless you with a strong man right there, so Zozo. And God bless you with him. If I name for him, Brit, we don't know where you're there. Everybody see up on the upper go down and them not help you. And him step in and help you. You have to love him, you have to respect him. You see me? You're a man this God send for you, Brit. Me I tell you. Hold on upon him. And let me tell you, him just depend the app, him not depend the app, he just look no money. He just look no money for himself. He might look money for you and for him. And you know if him good, you are go good. I mean love that boy as also. Big up your damn self, you know, youth. One ice queen, I tell you that, you know, and I never two, you know. Big up yourselves also. You see me? But follow you a long time, you know, I don't know if you follow me, but you can give me a follow back, you see me? Alright, I am real UPG. Big up yourself. Alright, Rich, I love you, yeah? Alright, my baby, you're sweet, bad. Love you, Rich. Big up yourself, also. Continue to be the good boy that you is. You hear that? And I listen to nobody on the app here. And you say if you follow the app here, you give up on Brit long time. No listen to none of them youth. Straight love. Big up yourself. One ice cream on the app.
I just want to say big up yourself. Zozo, big up yourself. I've been watching Brit since probably 2 years now, and I just want to say, Brit, you came a long way. You never give up, and you always, even though people will laugh and talk bad about you, you always have your head up. And I just want to say, continue to push, continue to go. Zozo, big up your damn self, like for real. God is gonna bless you. I see you always crying out for help, and you are the help. So I just want to say, big up yourself and continue to have her and all there. Alright? Love y'all. Bye.
Yeah, man, I want Zoe, bro.
As I say for a long time, people, the youth as Zozo is a youth where me not see nothing bad. You know what I mean? Go on with him friend, him start chat a bit like me not see no look bad ways or look sneaking ways or something. Him look genuine to me. and hear the people them, enough of the people them express it, say boy, you know what I mean? Him a the real man for Britain, really. So me want to tell me what you think. If you don't agree with the people them, cause I mean I see him make no funny moves still. You know what I mean? Him always a try to do something for her. And make sure say she alright and them with it. You see it? So if that is a disguise, him have up a good disguise, me not like big man thing. But me know what I think with people. I watch some more.
Big up yourself now, father. You know, say Bad Juvie always there for the North Coast. Always there in the chat. Always that's the name you give. Always I make sure everything up. Glad to see Queen. Cause what you know, no? I want Queen for the app. Only girl me was come turn on her life and I see 15 and 20,000 people on it. From them time to me I talk about so. So what you know? Believe. But God for see moms dog. Come I wonder when me I go see her. And you know me not left your foot so. Remember more my shirt same way my killer.
Yeah man. Believe man.
So.
Believe.
Still want my shirt, bro. I really remember say.
Bro, watch out, just inbox me. Send me a number and inbox me here.
Inbox me, bro. Inbox me want too. Cause one of my dog them want too. I remember say me have a ATV company and thing and me I tell them about it. I say I want North Coast now, bro. Where's he free?
Alright, you hear me, brother?
Glad to see what I go on, bro. Remember me tell them, wish enough man just like you, bro. Cause me not like for them is though. Me even more than give up, but dog, me like your track and turn up for what you do, bro.
Really?
And in a company up and I say, Ray, you ever talk about moms? I just moms, yeah, just moms, I just moms, I just moms. Brother, we love that, bro. Hold for man out if you just.
Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself.
Brittany, good morning, Brit. Purpose never die. Zozo, big up yourself. I really appreciate what you did for her. You stand by her through thick and through thin. And may the Lord continue to bless you and ride with you on a journey. Okay, Brittany? I love you both. May the Lord continue to bless and keep you. Purpose never die, honey.
Hey, Brett. Good morning. Hey, Zozo. Brett is Lady Charm. Brett, oh my God, I'm so happy to see you, my girl. When I saw that you were out this morning, I had tears of joy because guess what? You are one of the real people on this app. I remember a young lady was out here looking for help, and when I reached out, you helped her so good, and I remember that every day. And the Lord is gonna continue to bless you. Me and my prayer line, we pray for you on a daily basis. Just know that Lady Charm love you for life, and I'm happy to see how you're looking radiant, you're beautiful, you are the queen that you are, and just know that God will continue to bless you. And Zozo, bless up yourself. I take Brit like a sister, even though I don't know her in person. Bless her up, keep taking good care of her, and God continue to bless you both. I will keep you both in my prayer. Love you, Brett. See you soon. God bless you, my dear. Continue doing well.
Wrangler, come fast, Brett, big up yourself, big up yourself. Respect for you, bro. Me not lie, straight up on a mama there, me I watch you, bro. Me a translate to my friend them in a Spanish and I say, yo, that youth there want real youth for the happening. You know me a Jamaican, my bro. You see me? At zero, I see you come from, bro. No cap. And you hold it, bro. You hear? You been through star, my father. Blessings. Blessings right through, my friend. Break big up yourself, quick and fast.
Blessings, you know, so, you know, come done. You know, one break, one up, big up yourself. The people them love to see you there here. We are taking you from, you go viral when you say, I'm open my market, mouth, me bombardos. You make me give budget 20, I swear to God. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Zozo, big up yourself. Man, on top support to them. Big up on a damn self in real life. And God, nah, forget to no, bro. Yeah, man. Prayer kill people nowadays, you know. And I'm praying enough. Keep praying.
Believe, man. We are praying, man. There's no job. Believe.
Hi, Brit. Glad to see you. you. Hope all is well. Always trust and believe in a God, great. Always trust and believe in a God. Because Him in the midst of everything, you know?
Sure.
Yeah. God for see you, man. One bread, one queen. Yeah. Not go around that. One queen, one king. One brick from the app.
Yeah, big up DJ fame. Big up the DJ fame.
We're happy to see you, sick girl. Look how you look shiny. Look how you look pretty. So one brick. Look how everything look nice. Oh God. Hey, God really good enough. Hey, brick God good to you. Yeah, hey, everything that the enemy stole from you, you get it back in full. Everything that I give back to you 100 fold. Let me tell you what God look on. Your heart clean enough. You know how much people you help? Hey, let me tell you something. Don't listen. This is your laughing season, my girl. You're gonna laugh on them. You're gonna trample them. You're gonna married. You are married. You'll get your husband seen behind you. Cause let me tell you, baby love me better than they are done shop. Kiss her, yeah, so make them see, make them way. Kiss him, yeah, so. And rich we say, well, on the way.
Alright, there.
Yeah. Yes. Zozo.
Yeah.
Hi, Brit. Oh my God, my eyes. Right now I am in tears, like literally in tears. Zozo, you are such a man that any woman look for. Zozo, you are such a you have so much confidence in yourself, Zozo, that sometimes I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do it, but you do it. And Zozo, just continue to be your fabric. Brit,